Hello learners. Welcome to ISECT Learn, your gateway to better education and a better career. We are delighted to welcome you to a course that not only opens the doors to endless possibilities but also promises a range of benefits for your education and career advancement. The certificate course in VLSI Design. This course has been meticulously crafted and developed by Dr. Lakshmi Singh, an esteemed expert in the field. Dr. Singh, an associate professor at Rabindranath Tagore University, brings a wealth of experience with 15 years dedicated to teaching and a specialization in VLSI design. Her extensive contributions include 35 research papers published in prestigious publications like Scopus, SCI, UGC Care List, and numerous national and international conferences. Additionally, she has authored 5 books in the realm of VLSI design. Now, let's dive into the specifics of the course. The certificate course in VLSI design spans a duration of 6 months and is open to individuals with a 10+2 qualification or a diploma in electronics and communication. The primary objective of this course is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the entire logic design process, emphasizing the analysis of both combinational and sequential digital circuit design. Upon successful completion, you'll possess the skills to analyze circuit design concepts with confidence. Let's take a sneak peek into the course structure. The course is thoughtfully divided into 5 modules. Module 1, Fundamentals of VLSI Design. Lay the groundwork with an in-depth exploration of the fundamentals of VLSI design. Module 2, Combinational Circuits with Verilog Design. Delve into the world of combinational circuits and master Verilog design techniques. Module 3, Sequential Circuits with Verilog Design. Explore the intricacies of sequential circuits while honing your Verilog design skills. Module 4, Hardware Description Language. Gain proficiency in the language that bridges the gap between hardware and software. Module 5, MOS Circuit Design Styles. Dive into the specifics of MOS circuit design styles to enhance your practical knowledge. And the best part? To match your busy lifestyle, we offer this course in the online self-paced mode, allowing you to study at your own convenience. Upon successful completion, a certificate awaits you, earned through a comprehensive MCQ assessment at the end of the course. Are you ready to reshape your career? The journey begins now. Enroll in the certificate course in VLSI Design at ISECT Learn. Don't miss out on the chance to unlock the doors to a world of limitless possibilities with ISECT Learn. Enroll today.